how to create landing pages in WordPress. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. So let's get back to the video. So how to create landing pages in WordPress. So it's very simple, guys. It's very easy. All you have to do is, once you have your WordPress website, and I would suggest Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. It's fast. They give you a free SSL and free domain. The link is down below. You have a 70% discount. So let's get back and let's get started. So once you're in your WordPress dashboard, all you have to do is click on add new. We are going to install a free plugin called Elementor. So Elementor. So this is the plugin. So I have already installed it, so I'm just going to update it. So once this is done, so I've updated it. All you have to do is go on pages and add new. So once you're over here, I can name this as landing page, publish, and I would click edit with Elementor. So I'm just going to click it. So I've just clicked edit with Elementor. So now it's loading, and now we are into Elementor. So people who don't know what's Elementor, so Elementor is a free drag and drop WordPress plugin. Okay, so it's very easy to create it. If you want heading over here, so let's say you can push drag and drop. Everything is drag and drop. You can add an image. So let's say you can add this image, but before that, for a landing page, we don't have to show our header. Okay, so all you have to do is go back to the dashboard. Okay, so what I'll do is view page, first things first. Then I'm going to do edit page. Once you click that, I'll just move my face away and I'll make it small. So if you see on the right hand side, okay, so once you go on page attributes, it's on the right hand side. You can say Elementor full width and update. Once you update it, okay, and then just go edit with Elementor again. Once you click that, it will load. So just give it a second. Yeah, so now it's loading. So guys, I think so I've selected the wrong attribute. So all you have to do is click on template and select canvas, and then just update. And when you refresh the page, now you could see everything is blank. So this is now how you get started. So now all you have to do is again click with edit with Elementor. So now you can design however you want. So all you have to do is, let's say sections, you add a section. Okay, so in this section, first thing what I'll do is so if you click over here, navigator, so this is the navigator. So inside section we have column. So I would catch this section. So if I add something over here, I can add a heading inside. So as you could see, I'm going to add a heading inside this section. So I'll just delete this. So this is the navigator. If you want to go to the navigator, it's very easy. Just click over here on the left hand side. Yeah, so now, so as you could see over here now, so inside my section there's a column, and inside the column there's a heading. So I'll do is click on the section, and then I'll just click over here, and I can upload an image. If I want, I can go over here, or maybe I can change the color. So I can make this black, because black looks really cool. I can adjust the height, minimum height. I could do full width box, or I can do the minimum height of 450. I'll take this heading. I can select on column. I can click on style or layout. Everything looks good over here. Or maybe I can click on heading and make the heading come in the middle. So just put this in the middle. You're free, copy, grab. Now I'm just giving you an example. Then if you want, you can come over here, add a button. Okay, you can add a button over here. again in the middle if you want, danger. Okay, and then I can make it a little big, so I can make it large, I can make it extra large. Everything's over here. If I want, I can add an icon, I can add this icon, insert. So there are a lot of options. I'm not going to explain you a lot of options, but I would give you the best advice. So all you have to do is open a sales page of your competitor and exactly copy same way as it is. I'll show you one of my examples as well. So if you go back to my website, if you click over here, so guys, again, I thought that's gonna be a bonus for you all guys. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's step-by-step instructions, the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting, and how to get free traffic to your website. All those are proven, tried and tested techniques. So you can go enroll in this course right now. But now this is how you can create a landing page. So exactly copy as it is. Okay, you can copy my how to build a WordPress website. I can go over here, just click over here, paste it. See, just copy paste your competitor and then create, and this is the sign up button. If you sign up, you'll be able to enroll in my course. So guys, it's very simple. So it's very easy, and I'm going to give you one more example. If you click over here, cancel this, sorry, if you click on this folder, there are pre-made templates. Okay, so pro is the paid one, you can use the free ones. If I click on insert and insert, so I'm just going to click over here. So now it's loading. So now as you could see, the page is installed, and then you can make changes to it. I don't know, for some reason the images are not loading, but you can upload it yourself as well. So this is just an example guys. I'm not spoon feeding you, I'm just teaching you how to do it, so you can create any landing page. You don't even have to worry. So let this page load. So currently this is how our landing page looks. So the images are showing, so it needs some time. So as you could see, this is your website, and this is how you create a landing page from scratch. It's very easy guys, and if you all need more help, then please do join my course. The link is down below. It's a free course, so you can join it right now. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.